Okay, beginners, KLX 140 and 150 category final hit. So nagipunta diri guys sa Minglanilla, Cebu, Barangay Tulay. This race is exclusive KLX only. Kawasaki. Okay, ayan na, bakbakan na. Wow! All shot by Cortez. Ayan, this is final hit. Explosive Kawasaki. Ayan, leading from Davao del Sur. Jan Anthony Cortez. Ayan. So, sorry guys. Okay, leading all the way from Davao del Sur. So, sorry guys, wala akong kailangan ng uban. Ayan. Ayan, leading Anton Cortez. So, muna ikaduha guys. Sorry kayo, wala akong kailangan. Then, ikatulo, ikaupat. Ayan. Wow.
Okay.
So ato ikatuluan ni guys is from Iloilo and kaupat is from Four Sisters Racing. So wala ko kailangan ng uban, sorry kayo. So leading all the way. Jan Anthony Cortez. Ayan. So ikatulo is from Iloilo and then from Sisters Racing. Four Sisters Racing. Ayan, leading Anton Cortez. The Battle of Beginners, exclusive KLX 150 in 140 category. Ayan, leading all the way Anton Cortez. Ayan, bakbakan na ito na Max from Four Sisters Racing and from Iloilo. Wow! Yan, dikit na dikit. So, layo na si Anton guys.
Okay, waiting for
Layo na.
open PLX.
Moto ito yung kadua. Wow, wow, nakuha. Nakuha ang taga Iloilo. Wow. So, from Four Sisters Racing ng ikatulo guys. Nakuha ang taga Iloilo. Ayan, leading yapon Cortez. So muna tayo kadua, no? White flag is up. White flag for Cortez. Last lap, last lap. Last lap for Anton Cortez. Last lap. Ayan, bakbakaan na yun. Taga Four Sisters Racing. Wala, nagkaduol na, nagkaduol na. Ayan, bak. Wow! Ay, naigo gyud, naigo gyud. Wow, naigo gyud siya gamay. Naigo gyud.
Okay, Cortez from Naval del Sur, followed by Four Sister Rider, Kevin.
Wow, checkered Anton Cortez, champion. Second is from Four Sisters Racing. Ayan. Third is from Iloilo. Sayang. Checkered, checkered. Checkered. Ang ganda ng bakbaka nila guys. Sayang yung second. Naging fourth na lang. So thank you for watching guys. So please share my video, follow my page and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you, thank you. So checkered na po tayo lahat guys. Checkered na po, checkered. Thank you.